Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf Life 1.0 TSI Mhev 110 horsepower 5 in stunning white. This estate is a powerhouse with a 1-litre engine, petrol fuel type and automatic transmission. Loaded with top-of-the-line features, from air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car offers comfort, style and safety. It also includes ABS, collision avoidance braking and parking assistance for added security. With a sleek spoiler and luxury trim, this Golf stands out from the crowd. Plus, with features like energy recuperation and self-driving capabilities, it's not just stylish, it's smart too. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us now or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information. Drive away in your dream car today.